waves are crashing over, the wind screams through my soul. This little boat of mine feels like it's lost control. But then I hear you whisper through the thunder and the rain. Shall have walked on raging waters, this storm bows to my name. You're in my boat even now. You see the waves, you feel my doubt. One word from you could calm the sea, but if you let it lay, you'll teach hard to believe. You'll teach my heart to believe, to believe. The lightning paints my nightmares, the mask begins to break, but you just keep on sleeping to see if I'll have faith. So I won't fear the tempest, I won't fear the deep. The God who made the oceans is holding on to me. And if the storm continues, I'll cling to what I know. You're in my boat, you won't let go.